I think the world is now sickened and absolutely disgusted with the level of bombing and starvation that is ongoing in Gaza. The ongoing bombardment of Gaza is resulting in the killing of so many innocent people and so many innocent children. I watched last evening as a surgeon from a hospital in Gaza outlined what she had just been through as a surgeon operating on two young children, and whose mother was in danger of losing her life as a result of a bomb. And this slaughter of the innocents must stop. And there's an onus in the world at large to very significantly pressurise Israel now to cease all hostilities in Gaza. Also, we need Hamas to release all of the hostages. We need a ceasefire and a pathway to reconstruction of Gaza. The weaponisation of aid is a war crime, and that is what we are witnessing here in Gaza. And it simply has to stop. It represents the collective punishment of a people, and the international community need to collectively, together, do everything it can to stop this horrendous war. I think 5 trucks instead of the 500 plus that we urgently need a day is a sick joke. I mean, it's beyond, and I don't like using that language. It's just, I couldn't believe yesterday the news that 5 trucks has been left in. Sure, we know we need hundreds and hundreds of trucks. I mean, people are starving. And also the bypassing of the United Nations is also reprehensible. The United Nations have agencies who understand the situation in great detail on the ground, who are in a position to get the aid there quickly to people and to help people, and particularly to help the children. And the UN agencies should have control of the distribution of aid into Gaza and to the people of Gaza.